Hello guys and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how to create a landing page with Mailchimp. It's going to be a really simple process, so bear with me on this one, and well, I should just go ahead and start. So in here, on the section right here in the campaign, since a landing page is basically a campaign, and also sort of like it falls on the sector of templates. You could also choose templates. As you can see, you can search the landing page, and you can just basically put the landing page name, just a sample name. Again, so this is the first step to our process. So once you're done with your landing page name and your audience, you click on begin. So let's just go ahead. So once you select a template, so here are the key templates that I just talked about. Again, these are, I believe all of these are free to use as well. So let's choose this one, the modern. Okay, now that we're here, just wait for it to load a little bit here. This is going to be showing us the key details of the templates, and in turn we're going to be changing the text styles, changing the photos as well to our preferences. So again, this is just a template, a structure that you could easily change. As you can see, this is the image display size. You can click on the image, like for example this one, the modern text style. You could click on this one, the pencil icon, to change the modern text style right here. So let's just basically wait. Okay, as you can see, this is the modern text style. You could edit it out as you choose. So you can shrink it down by pulling this toggle right here. You could just basically pull it to the side a little bit and click here to save. So it'll basically shrink down our text style. You could click here if you want to add a new text style instead of the modern. As you can see, we've duplicated that one, but we're going to go back to that one in a while. So right now, see, this is the quotation here. Shop hour. We're going to be deleting this one, and we're going to be adding our since this is our landing page, we're going to be adding our own text styles here. Again, you could change everything here. Doesn't necessarily mean that you have to abide in all of this. You just have to use this as preference. As you can see, the header, you could edit the header as well, everything here, including the photo. So this will be a new friend to a new lifestyle. Let's say, for example, your landing page is about a healthy lifestyle. So, and a plethora of let's just good habits. And this is basically it. And you could edit, again, let's just choose this. You could basically edit the text, like fonts, for example. You could add in a bunch of links as well. If you have active links from social media you want to, as you can see, it's in here. So instead of buy now, why not change this to this is for your customers to see, by the way, book now. Since this is a landing page, a bookable page, just add in the exclamation point for to add a little bit of life to it. Because if you just put simple text style, it just seems robotic to me. I don't know. You just add spice, like punctuation marks. So in here, you can basically, again, adjust the page's header. And in here, our story, oh boy, you could just basically click on this one and then click on delete, and you could add on your basically story here. So a good landing page basically has good story to tell. So yeah, that's basically it. Again, you could add in a few tweaks. A few tweaks, and you could add in a bunch of textiles as well. I don't know if you could just adjust the colors, but you could definitely edit the styles like fonts. So explore new trends by tuning into our local voice systemic. Again, this is just for example, guys. So you could use whatever it is, systemic metrics, since it is, after all, a landing page. It's going to be a simple one. So again, you could basically use this as reference, but I highly suggest you experiment on this one, especially if your landing page is about your business. So be creative about this one. All right. So enhance our subliminal. Let me just edit this out a little bit here. So again, you could click on our story as well. That header right there, you could delete that. Instead of our story, you can just basically edit out our origins. Or again, this is just a frame. A template is basically a frame from which you could edit from. Okay. So in here, you could choose bold italic, add in a few links, a few tweaks. What else? Yeah, that's just basically it. You get the idea, right? And how simple this is. So this is why a lot of people use and prefer Mailchimp, because it's basically simple right there. That's all you basically need to do. Let's capitalize this. Explore new trends by tuning into our local voices and make so further more enhance our subliminal pages that convey value in every aspect. Now is the time. So in here, you could edit these photos out as well. Click on this one, right click, and then you could basically change. As you can see, you could replace the photo. You could add in your own photo as well, but again, you could just replace. Skip that part. Again, you could change the template, and you could change everything here. Let's say, for example, let's just go back to our modern template here. So yeah, that's just basically it. We've done pretty much our short editing here. What else? Hear from our customers. So yeah, once you're done with all of this one, you can just basically click save, and that's just it. Thanks so much for watching Tech Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.